like I've been laying in the back of somebody's car. Goodness gracious, smushed up. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by HergivenHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now, before I give you guys a mini update on my natural TWA with PCOS hair thinning, plus show you guys how I styled this all-in-one multi-style versatile lace part half wig with a drawstring, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HergivenHair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in my description box. So if you guys want to check them out, you can. This is their all-in-one kinky texture wig. I think it's considered a half wig, but you can also wear it as a full wig or a lace part unit and a ponytail based on the cap construction of this unit. So as you see right here, it comes with about 1 inch of lace in the front and then 2 combs on the side of the lace part, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the drawstring for a ponytail option. I probably won't wear mine in the ponytail option today just because, you know, we see what's going on, but I will do a couple styles with this one to figure out which, you know, look I'm going for today. I don't really know yet, but first I need to prep my natural hair because it's a little dry after taking those cornrows out. So I need to first Derma roll it. Y'all know I don't actually roll it, I just kind of stick it on my head. This helps with the blood flow around my hairline as well as in the middle of my head, because y'all know my hair loss is mainly in the middle, but y'all see how it's I ain't gonna get too excited, but it's doing a little something. It's thinner right there. Okay, but it's trying to grow back in. Y'all see those little hairs? Like that. This is just what I do for my hair. Y'all know I have PCOS, so it's not just one thing or the other when it comes to my hair loss or hair regrowth. I also take medications. It's a combination of things when it comes to my hair journey. Again, all the products that I'm using will be listed down below. I'm not gonna name them in this video because this video is about the half wig, okay? So if you want any products that I'm using, read the description. Massage that in. I'm gonna use my green grease for the rest of the hair because it's a little dry. I'm so tempted to cut my hair again, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I've gotten used to the ease of the shortness, and it takes no time at all to grease my hair. My goal at the moment is not length, it's thickness. Y'all see that? That's what I'm working on. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. Y'all can tell me if it's growing or not, okay? I feel like we are. Like if I lift up where that thin spot is, I know it's growing longer. Hopefully it's thickening up as well. Twist the front up to keep it separate from the back since I will be using that. Put on my wig cap. Because these wig caps do stretch out, I just flip them over and pin it in the back. I like these wig caps because they're easy on my edges. Now I need to tint the little bit of lace that I do have in the front. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to do that. So it's not that much to tint. Put the little bit right there. Kind of has like little baby hair pieces right here in the front, so it could blend a lot easier, especially for that the full cap look. Let me make sure I don't cut that off. That around. And loosen up the drawstring. Make sure I can get it over my head. This is supposed to be a one size fits all. Let's find out, because I know my head is big. Right there behind my natural part. Here we go. Bring it over. Yes, she does. Okay, okay. I'm going to take my drawstring and tighten her down. Be very careful. I don't want it to snap. Don't talk like that. Tighten it down as much as you need to. Pull it down on that side. Ooh, let me not give myself a headache. Cut the excess. Take my edges right here. Just bump them out a bit. All right, just like that. Blend it in. I did wash my wig, and I did use my Detangler brush to detangle and clump my curls. This is about the same amount of shedding that I got when I did the wash, so just about that much, both times. Again, it's a kinky texture, and HergivenHair is the high quality version of Kinky Curly. So you will need to take your time when you are detangling this unit. It took me about 10 minutes to detangle during my initial wash, and about 10 minutes to get the curls together once I added the product. This is the product that I use on my curls. I'm gonna take my pick here, and I'm gonna loosen up these curls a bit, liven them up before I go in and add some heat to it to break up that product. I know I love the curl glaze, but if you're looking for a less sticky version, that is a good one to try. Go under. The all-in-one wig does come in different textures. So the Kinky Curly is just too tight for you. Try the coily. I think they have a Kinky Straight version or a wand curl version. They have a lot. Y'all see them right here on the site. And they have some special colors. Let me take off these patches real quick. Ooh. I'm gonna diffuse the hair really quick on warm to kind of break up some of the product, and then I'll blow dry it on warm to continue that process. So this is how it's looking. I see how it's blending in for me. Okay, blend. I'm gonna use a little bit of my pressed powder and blend that lace in like so. Okay, that's cute. Let me fix the back though. Look like I've been laying in the back of somebody's car. Goodness gracious, smushed up. Let's not do that. Because the kinky hair is kinkying, I'm gonna take my blow dryer on hot and stretch the hair out just a little bit. I don't want it to be as tight. As you wear your unit more, it will loosen up, but the initial wear, if you put product in your unit, it will shrink up, just like natural hair. That's why HergivenHair is for the natural girls, okay? The real natural girls. We understand the shrinkage. Okay, I'm gonna put it on high just because I know what I'm doing, but you do low, okay? If you lengthen it out too much, just put some water on there. It'll shrink back up. My wig is sliding back only because I'm not using the combs. Y'all know I don't, So I can go in and put my wig grip on. I'm not gonna do it right now just because I'm already styled up, but I should have worn my wig grip. If you have a wig grip, wear it. If you don't have a wig grip, get one. It grips your wig, hence the name. And that drawstring in the back will help it grip to that as well. You can wear the unit on your hairline, as you can see. If you don't have edges to blend, you can definitely do that. Use the wig just like that. Put on my wig grip, tuck in that excess of the cap, pop it back on, tighten down the drawstring. Give me my hair back, goodness. The blend. Take it, pull it up to the top, twist and twist. Okay, bobby pin that. There we go. Tease that down. And I can put bobby pins right here on the side so that if the wind blows, my wig don't come up like that. Just attach it right to the wig grip. Blends really well, as you can see. Wait, where's the part? Blend my hair in with that. Again, you can wear this on your hairline, okay? You don't have to put it behind your hairline. I'm just showing you how I'm able to rock it behind my hairline with the little bit of edges I have here in the front and with that little bit of parting space. It can still look natural. All right, this is me. This is the wig. Can you see the blend? I'm in the front, the wig in the back. That's how it looks on top. You wanna be on top? America's Next Top Model. Am I too old for y'all? Maybe I should have put this on before I put the wig on. Are the headband wigs coming back? I hope so. Those were keeping my edges safe, you hear me? And then as far as the ponytail is concerned, let me see how tight this can get. Oh, okay, yeah, that can do that's a big ponytail. It's a lot of hair for a ponytail, but if you wanna do like a scarf or something, you can definitely do that, or do like a little pineapple look. If you wanna do like a low ponytail in the back, who that in the back? My ponytail, something simple. And I'm also gonna try to do the Mary, I like to call it the Mary because that's one of her favorite hairstyles. Let me see. Twist this over and then bobby pin it down. Bobby pin, bobby pin, bobby pin it down. I had the Topic Fill Me In wand, but this is my brown one. I can't find my black one, so I'm gonna use some mascara here, my old one, and just try to color in my grays. Just a little bit. Can't do much with that because obviously it's running out. I'm not going to use my actual mascara that I use on my face. Just pretend that I colored it in, okay? Blend out my sides. There we go. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. What do we think? Don't all speak at once. I think this is a great wig for this price. This wig with my specs is $289. Depending on the length you get, the price can go down, okay? Because they also have a 16-inch, I'm pretty sure. This is an 18-inch. The 18-inch for me is always my sweet spot because it's right at my shoulder. Now, if you get the 16-inch and you want an 18-inch, just use that blow dryer and lengthen her out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But if you still want the fullness of the 18-inch with the look of an 18-inch, get the 18-inch. Multiple styling options. It blends amazingly with my natural hair. This is me in the front, okay? Pushed her on back. You can do a lot with this unit, and that's pretty much all I gotta say about that. I need to head out because, you know, people gotta see my hair. I gotta surprise some people. Shout out one more time to HergivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.